amount of substance. Okay, let's get through this. So I'm just gonna obviously pull up the specification so we know what we're on about. So obviously a lot of this is just calculation questions. Okay, so it says in this case, percent atom economy is so percentage yields how waste for the process is how much of a product is lost during the process. But this is not actually in the specification, the percentage yield. What is actually on the specification, the percentage yield, all they want you to do is to be able to calculate it. But the atom economy is you need to know the economic and all of that. So get rid of that. Spectator ion, any ion that's present in the reaction mixture but doesn't get involved in the reaction. And we leave anything that isn't in the solution, isn't an ion in the solution. There we go. 3 advantages of high atom economy. More efficient use of raw materials, more sustainable, less expensive, better for the environment, we produce less waste. Atom economy, a measure of the portion of reactant atoms become part of the desired product in balanced chemical equation. And there we go. Theoretical yield, again, this is not something you need to know. No, this is not something you need to know. Two main indicators in titrations: methyl orange, red and acid yellow alkali, phenolphthalein, colourless acid pink and alkali. Colour change is too gradual, therefore universal indicator is no good. What kind of indicators are used? Indicators that change colour quickly over a very small pH range so you know exactly when the reaction ended. Burettes measure different volumes. It lets you add the solution drop by drop. Sodium reactant with excess of water means you know all the sodium has reacted. Pipettes measure only one volume of solution. To use a pipette, fill the pipette to just above solution, take the pipette out of the solution, drop the level down carefully to the line, and concentration of a solution is how many moles of dissolved per 1 decimeters cubed, moles per d minus cubed. I never would see them asking you this, and I don't want to waste you guys' time with these, unnecessary flashcards. So I'm going to keep this here. Number particle, number mole, number particle, number mole times by Avogadro constant, ionic equation, only reactant particles and the products they form are included. Now this isn't really a definition, but it is when they ask you to construct an ionic equation, you know what you're doing. You need to say, okay, only the reactant particles and the products they form are included. That's it.